Mecca, the holiest city in Islam. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our podcast. Today we will talk about Mecca. Mecca is a very important city for Muslims. It is the birthplace of the Prophet Muhammad and the place where the Kaaba, the holiest building in Islam, is located. In this podcast, we will explore Mecca's history, culture, and the top 10 places to visit. Let's begin. History of Mecca. Mecca is one of the oldest cities in the world, with a history that goes back more than 2,000 years. It is located in Saudi Arabia, in the middle of the desert. The city was originally a small trading center, but it became very important in Islam. The Prophet Muhammad was born in Mecca the year 571. He started preaching Islam in this city. Mecca became the spiritual center of the Islamic world because of the Kaaba, a building located in the Masjid al-Haram Mosque. Mecca is also the destination of Hajj, the pilgrimage that all Muslims are required to take once in their lifetime, if they are able. This pilgrimage takes place every year and brings millions of people to Mecca. Culture of Mecca. Mecca is a city with a rich cultural and religious heritage. Every year, millions of Muslims travel to Mecca to perform Hajj, which includes special prayers and rituals. The city is filled with people from all over the world, speaking many different languages. The city is also famous for its Islamic traditions. For example, during Ramadan, many Muslims come to Mecca to pray and break their fast. The city is always full of energy and devotion, especially during special religious events. Top 10 places to visit in Mecca. Now let's explore the top 10 places to visit in Mecca. First, Masjid al-Haram. Masjid al-Haram is the largest mosque in the world. It is home to the Kaaba, the holiest site in Islam. The mosque was built in the 7th century and has been expanded many times since. Every year, millions of Muslims visit the mosque to pray and perform rituals. 2. The Kaaba. The Kaaba is the most sacred building in Islam. It was first built around 2000 BCE by the Prophet Abraham, and his son Ishmael. Muslims face the Kaaba during daily prayers, no matter where they are in the world. 3. Mount Arafat, the day of Hajj. Mount Arafat is a hill located about 20 kilometers from Mecca. It is an important site for Muslims during Hajj. On the day of Arafat, Muslims gather on this hill to pray and seek forgiveness from Allah. 4. Mina, the place of sacrifice. Mina is a small village near Mecca where Muslims stay during part of the Hajj pilgrimage. It is known for the symbolic act of sacrifice that happens here. Muslims sacrifice an animal in memory of the Prophet Ibrahim's willingness to sacrifice his son for Allah. 5. The Well of Zamzam, first discovered by Hagar and Ishmael. The Well of Zamzam is a sacred well located within Masjid al-Haram. According to Islamic tradition, the well was first discovered by Hagar and her son Ishmael, when they were in the desert. The water from this well is believed to have healing powers. 6. Jabal al-Nur, the Mountain of Light. Jabal al-Nur is a mountain located near Mecca. It is famous for the cave of Hira, where the Prophet Muhammad received his first revelation from the angel Gabriel. Pilgrims often hike to the top of the mountain to visit the cave. 7. Al-Masjid an-Nabawi, the Prophet's Mosque. Although located in Medina, Al-Masjid an-Nabawi is an important site for those visiting Mecca. It is the mosque built around the tomb of the Prophet Muhammad. Pilgrims visiting Mecca often travel to Medina to visit this mosque as well. 8. Jannat al-Mu'alla. Jannat al-Mu'alla is a historical cemetery located near Masjid al-Haram. Many members of the Prophet Muhammad's family, including his mother, are buried here. It is a place of great importance to Muslims. 9. The Black Stone, first set in the Kaaba in the 7th century. The Black Stone is a sacred stone set into the Kaaba. It is believed to have come from heaven. Pilgrims often try to kiss or touch the Black Stone during Hajj as part of the rituals. 10th. Abraj al-Bayt Towers. The Abraj al-Bayt Towers are a group of skyscrapers located near Masjid al-Haram. The tallest tower has a huge clock face, which can be seen from miles away. The towers also offer luxury hotels and shopping centers for pilgrims and tourists. Interesting facts about Mecca. Mecca is the birthplace of the Prophet Muhammad. The city is home to the largest mosque in the world, Masjid al-Haram. The Kaaba is covered with a black cloth called the Kiswa, which is replaced every year. During Hajj, Muslims from all over the world perform rituals that have been followed for centuries. Conclusion: Mecca is the spiritual heart of Islam, a place of devotion and unity for Muslims around the world. From the Kaaba to Mount Arafat, the city is full of important sites for those who follow the Islamic faith. Whether for Hajj or personal reflection, Mecca is a city that holds deep meaning for millions of people. Thank you for listening to our podcast. I hope you have learned more about Mecca. Don't forget to share our podcast with your friends. See you next time.